So next problem, question number 3. So in question number 3, so here diameter. So pi represent diameter. If r is written, it is radius. So diameter, it is given as 30 mm diameter, and this length is 15 mm, 15 mm, and from here till end, this is also 30. So 30 means, so roughly this is also 15 mm. So 15 mm length, and this thickness is 1 mm. So let's get started in AutoCAD. Units, limits 0, 0, 297, 210, enter, zoom, alt, enter. Now we have to draw a diameter of 30 mm circle. So circle with diameter 30. Now we will passing through the center, draw a line, enter. Now trim, enter. Delete it. Now we have drawn the semicircle. Next, from here down, how much? 15 mm. Okay, 15 mm line. 15, enter. This side, this is also 15. Line, auto on F8. So 15 mm, auto on 15 mm. Again line, 15. This side 15. Now fillet, you have to give fillet. So here fillet, enter. Now we have to give radius. Click on radius. By default it is 0. We have to give 0.5, enter. Now we have to select the first object and next second object. Over, enter. Again when you press enter, same command will repeat. So over. Now these all are different objects. So we will join all these things using join command. Join. So join, enter. So I click left side, I'm selecting everything. So everything is selected. So multiple 7 objects are found, enter. Now when I select, all are selected into single object. Now offset, click offset. So through distance, offset distance 1 mm. Okay, select the offset object. So it is 1 mm. Now line, join these 2 points, escape, enter. Again line command, join, enter. Now 2D sketch is over. Now next command is region, enter. Now you have to select the object same way. Left click, I've selected everything. Okay, so here I think we have made one mistake. So here fillet is missing. Here fillet is missing. Again, click here, fillet. So radius. Now radius is 0.5. Enter. Now select the first object and second object. Again enter. Fillet. Radius first object, second object. Now fillet is created. 0.5. Now region. Region. Enter. Now clicking left click. I've selected everything. Enter. Now this full object is a single object. Now we can use extrude command. So in this extrude. Okay. So how much distance we have to extrude? That is not given. So that is not given. We will take it as 15 mm. So I will isometric extrude. I'm selecting the object. Enter. So distance. How much? So I will give some 15 mm. Now conceptual is created. So the given is created. Okay. Given model is created. Okay. Given model is created. So this is third problem. Okay. Thank you.